Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record screen with audio on your INFINIX Hot 50. So first, we're gonna go over and swipe down to the control center, swipe down right here to open up screen recorder, and now tap it. Here we want to make sure that the microphone has its switch turned on. And as you guys can see, allow recording for microphone during screen recording. Now whenever we click OK and click while using the app, here we can start our recording. Now it's recording, and now I'm gonna stop it. Here we're gonna check our video, and we're gonna check if it has our microphone. And if not, simply go here, then go here, and go to record microphone sound. Sometimes it's enabled, sometimes it's disabled. It's pretty much a 50-50. Now whenever we start recording, we will have our microphone. So we can go over to the gallery, and here we're gonna check it.
Now whenever we start,
So it definitely works. This is how you guys can record your screen with audio. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.